Unlocking the power of data with Cisco's analytics and insight solutions. The importance of data analytics. Data analytics is the process of analyzing raw data to extract valuable insights, trends, and patterns. By harnessing the power of data analytics, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their operations, customers, and market trends. How Cisco's analytics and insight solutions can help. Cisco's analytics and insight solutions are designed to help businesses make sense of their data and turn it into actionable intelligence. One of the key features of Cisco's analytics and insight solutions is their ability to provide real-time insights into your data. The future of data analytics. By embracing these technologies and partnering with innovative companies like Cisco, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and unlock the full power of their data. In conclusion, data analytics is a powerful tool that can help businesses unlock the full potential of their data, driving growth and success. Cisco's analytics and insight solutions. You can harness the power of data analytics and make informed decisions that propel your business forward.